Rust is a common everyday problem that we run into on the job site. Working outdoors and in all types of weather is harsh on tools and parts. WD-40 Specialist Rust Remover Soap safely removes tough rust from metal tools and equipment parts. There are other rust removal products in the market, but they usually rely on harmful and toxic acids to remove rust. WD-40 Specialist Rust Remover Soap is unique in that it effectively dissolves rust without the use of harmful, caustic chemicals or acids. This biodegradable, non-toxic rust dissolver restores surfaces to bare metal without scraping, chipping, or scrubbing. It's simple and easy to use. Just pour it into a clean container. Drop your rusted tools or parts into the solution and let them soak. Check back every few hours until all the rust is dissolved and your hand tools are back to bare metal. This product targets rust and only rust, so it won't affect surrounding areas like rubber, plastic, or paint. Restoring your tools and parts instead of replacing them is going to save you money. And what's great about WD-40 Specialist Rust Remover Soap is that it's completely reusable. Yes, you can use the soak bath several times over, which will save you even more money. Whether it's your tools or any other metal equipment with heavy rusting or even rust flecks, WD-40 Specialist Rust Remover will make it like new again.